All right, folks, we've got some breaking news from the world of finance. Sengezo Tshabangu, a UK-based businesswoman and quite the finance queen, has been arrested at Manchester Airport by Greater Manchester Police. She's facing over 30 charges. Now, you might be wondering, who is Sengezo Tshabangu? Well, she's not just any businesswoman. Tshabangu is known for her involvement in a multi-million-pound investment program called Koki Zindlovukazi. This program, which she ran with politicians Sengezo Tshabangu and Jimmy Chasafara, aimed to empower investors and uplift the economically disadvantaged Matabeland region in Zimbabwe. But here's where things get murky. Allegations have surfaced that Koki Zindlovukazi might actually be a pyramid scheme. Investors reported no returns on their investments as of May 2023, which sent up a lot of red flags. Financial institutions and courts in multiple countries have flagged the scheme, suspecting fraud and money laundering. So, what's the deal with Tshabangu's arrest? Well, authorities believe it's connected to these allegations. They're digging deep to uncover the full extent of the alleged financial misconduct. But that's not all. In a separate investigation, Tshabangu is also being scrutinized by Zimbabwean tax authorities for allegedly evading a whopping $25 million in taxes. She's accused of manipulating land prices to lower her tax obligations, which, if true, is pretty serious stuff. The investigation suggests that Tshabangu, along with her lawyer, Zibusiso Charles Cube, systematically undervalued land in projects like Douglasdale 1 and 2 farms. Women interviewed by the Zimbabwean tax authorities revealed they were instructed to falsify figures. This raises major concerns about potential tax fraud, and it doesn't end there. Authorities suspect that Tshabangu and her associates, including Cube, may have amassed significant profits through these projects. They're looking into whether these funds are linked to money laundering operations spanning multiple countries. So, what's next for Tshabangu? Well, she's currently being held under strict bail conditions, and the specific details of the charges against her are expected to be released soon. The investigation is ongoing, and authorities are working tirelessly to get to the bottom of this. As we keep an eye on this developing story, it's a stark reminder of the importance of due diligence when it comes to investing. Always make sure to research thoroughly and be wary of schemes that promise too good to be true returns. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on this and other breaking news in the world of finance. Stay informed, stay alert, and I'll catch you in the next video.